In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a custom domain to Firebase hosting. We'll walk through adding your domain in Firebase, verifying that you own it, pointing your DNS records to Firebase, and waiting for the SSL certificate to finish provisioning. By the end, your site will load securely over HTTPS on your custom domain. First, open the Firebase console and select your project. In the left menu, go to Build, then Hosting. On the hosting page, click Add Custom Domain. Type your domain, whether that's the root domain, like example.com, or a subdomain, like app.example.com. You'll also see an option to redirect traffic from one host name to another, such as sending all www requests to the non-www domain. That's handy for consistency and SEO. Click Continue to begin the setup wizard. Next, Firebase needs to confirm you own the domain. It will show you a TXT record with a type, host, or name, and a long verification value. Head to your domain registrar's account and open the DNS or advanced DNS settings. Create a new TXT record using the exact details from Firebase. For an Apex domain, the host is often the * symbol or left blank. For a subdomain, use just the subdomain part, paste the verification value, and save. Go back to Firebase and click Verify. DNS can take time to propagate, sometimes up to 24 hours, but it's often much faster. If it doesn't verify right away, give it a little time and try again. Once ownership is verified, the wizard will provide 1 or 2 A records, and sometimes Choplay AA records for IPv6. Return to your DNS settings and remove any existing A or APB records for the same host to avoid conflicts. Then add the A records exactly as Firebase shows them. Set the host to the domain or subdomain you're configuring, and the value to the IP address provided. If you see 2 IPs, add both as separate A records. Save your changes. After the DNS updates are in place, Firebase will automatically request and install an SSL certificate for your domain. In the hosting dashboard, you'll see the status move from pending or needs setup to connected once everything is live. This can complete in minutes, but full DNS propagation may take up to 24 hours. When it shows connected, test your domain in a fresh browser window to confirm it loads over HTTPS. That's it. You've connected your custom domain to Firebase hosting with a secure certificate ready to serve your site to the world.